What's up, guys? We are back and we are at Insane Power right now, and we just got Matt's car dynoed, and I'll show that here in just a second. That thing's pretty bad. Big tire Mustang on a lot of dope. So the guys here really cool, gonna let us unload the Evo, gave us a lift to work on, and oh yeah, always. Brian Britt back there. So as it was on with somebody with this hot rod, he absolution.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, you know, hey. So we out here.
Let's get her done.
We finna drop it off, and we got some parts to put in this thing, man. We got a few hours to get this done. So we're gonna be out here in these streets racing the MSO and Debo right there, baby. We're gonna get her done. Yeah, bad baby right there. So man, we got a lot of work to do, but I got the crew to do it with, so we out here. We finna flex on today. So Real Strong, we got Real Street, our sponsor right here, rocking their shirt and their merch today. And like I said, we're getting it done tonight. So stay tuned, be right back. I'm telling you, golly, a little spicy over there. Man. All right, so we got the Evo apart, and we got some main bearings. I got 8. Not too happy with what I bought here, because I bought this engine expecting this to be a standard crank, and it's not. It's actually cut both ways, the rods and the main. So of course we're pushing this much power. What do you think is going to happen? So here we are at Insane Performance, and we got the mains out, and my number 1 and number 2 and my center are out of there. I mean, as you can see, so we did some damage, but Real Street did come through. We overnighted some bearings, and they were supposed to be here in the morning at 10:30. Not their fault, because they were here. The hotel has a mail drop system, so we could not get the bearings until 3 o'clock. We're sitting here dead in the water, have time to work, but we don't have no bearings to work with. So we have to wait, because these are 10 over, and those are what they sent me, and I can't get any 10 over bearings anywhere. So that sucks. So we are here dead, just waiting on parts. So we just trying to hope we make it, and if not, I'm not afraid to put this bitch back together and send it just like this. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't out here for no reason. Push come to shove, we gonna send it anyway. we gonna sand them bearings down, because I got some sandpaper with me. And we finna old school it, and we gonna slap it back together, and I may put a little bit more torque on it, just give it a little less clean, so that way we can kind of skate a little bit. But there ain't no main bearing spun though, so we're good there. It didn't spin because there wasn't enough taken out of it for us to spin one. So luckily we didn't spin a bearing, but we're here, dead. So you got Mike's car on the dyno still. We're finna fire it up, so you're gonna be here to hear me in a minute. So we're gonna get out of here, and once we get this stuff taken care of, if we get it buttoned up, I'll be right back. If not, I'll see y'all later. What up, guys? We have made it back home from Las Vegas. Super long ride, 22 hours, man. But what a time we had. So I have to thank all the guys that came out on my team. I don't even know where to start. So a bunch of you may have seen from our posts, we had a couple of the 818 guys out there. So we had RS Performance, Cybertech Racing, TRL, JBK, man, some everybody. We had Christian Reyes and Cat Piss. So We had Matt and his Mustang, which you saw on the dyno. Oh, we have such a steady little list going on there. And Steezy came out, brought two of his cars, Ryan in his car, and man, we put on a show. So I got Debo in the garage, which is right here. So finally got the car back home. Think we hurt the trans. Not quite sure yet. It's one of those things you gotta just pull it apart and find out. So gonna check it out. But I decided I'd probably just tag this on to the rest of our video that we had coming from Insane Performance, since I couldn't really film anything out there or, you know, around there. So just wanted to give you guys something, a little update. But we're gonna be on season 3, which they said these episodes are coming out pretty quick. So maybe in next week or so, you'll be checking us out on there. So I'll see you guys later. I'm finna get some sleep, but man, I did some crazy stuff on that show to get this car to work. Y'all see. So check me out. Peace.